There is an energy source which powering our Earth for more than 4 billion years. Yes, the answer is the sun. For a square meter, it receives more than 1000 watts of solar energy, and the energy receiving for surface area of the Earth for 1 day is equal to the energy demand of the world for 1 year. Therefore, the challenge here is how to capture those energy. Now we are going to introduce you 3 types of most common use of solar energy.
One of the simplest forms of solar usage and energy efficiency is passive solar. Passive solar comes in many forms, but common amongst all of them is the goal to maximize usage of the sun to condition our buildings to our liking. For better or for worse, all buildings absorb heat from the sun, but through certain design we can harness the energy and direct it to areas of our choosing. A tram wall traps solar energy as heat and releases it slowly to a building. 2 vents at the top and bottom of the system allow for natural convection, and the hot air exits at the top and draws in cold air from the bottom. At night, the hot brick wall slowly releases heat. This type of system can inexpensively do a lot to lower heating requirements. However, with the addition of fans, pumps, and control systems to a solar heating system, a building's reliance on other heat sources can be reduced to next to nothing. These active systems often use a heat pump loop to concentrate the sun's heat and can heat water to well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, even during cold winters. The greatest appeal of solar thermal systems is that they directly use the sun's energy, thus having none of the inefficiencies involved with energy conversions.
Solar PV systems work by capturing the energy using photovoltaic cells which convert the sunlight into electricity, making a major contribution to powering everything we need. PV panels don't need direct sunlight to work, and they still produce electricity on the most cloudy days, even in Montana. The sun shines to PV panels and create a direct current electricity. The DC current then flows to an inverter, converting it to alternating current. This is the type of electricity we use in our homes. From the inverter, the electricity travels through a generation meter to your most consuming units where connects to your everyday appliances. Solar PV systems that generate electricity from sunlight cost between 2.5 to 7 per installed watt. It has no harmful greenhouse gas emissions, has no mechanically moving parts, and are easy to install and totally silent. During the life cycle of PV, emissions to the environment mainly occur from using fossil fuel-based energy and generating the materials for solar cells, modules, and systems. Solar photovoltaic panels are one of the major renewable energy systems that are promoted through government subsidy funding. Apparently, the PV industry is striving for cost savings simultaneously for advanced performance.
Concentrated solar power is a system that generates solar power by using mirrors or lenses to concentrate a large area of solar thermal energy to a small area which can be used to generate electricity. The 3 main systems of CSP are power towers, parabolic system, and dish engine. Major locations of CSP include states like Arizona, Texas, and Oklahoma in the United States, and countries like UAE and Spain. A single CSP plant can produce 250 megawatts of electricity, powering about 90,000 homes.
For the solar energy, there are still many challenges in us to figure out. First of all, that we need to improve the efficiency of the solar panel. That will result in least space consumptions. The next challenge is how to storage the solar energy. As we all know, the output of solar energy is not constant. Therefore, we need to storage the energy and use the energy when we want to. After we solve the challenges, this technology will become the most free available and the carbon-free energy source.